Trend lines are most helpful when looking for entries in the direction of the trend. They're relatively easy to apply on the chart. However, if you plot them wrongly or misplotting them on the chart, you could find yourself missing good opportunities. Or worse, you will be trading on the wrong side of the market. Presenting the Trendline Pro indicator, which will help save your time in plotting the trend lines. It will keep you aware of the break of the trend lines and checks if it is a valid one or not. It tracks the price and keeps you informed if the price is inside the trendline area. Trend lines can be applied using the candle bodies by ignoring the wicks, as the close price is more important and they carry more meaning. Suppose a candle closes at a certain level. In that case, it means the market participants are ready to accept this level as a market balance point. On the other side, the wicks on the candle show how far the price went in one direction, before the market participants decide to reverse the direction. Highs and lows on a candle are the maximum and minimum prices that market participants are willing to pay. Pivot period outputs are the source values, used in drawing the trend lines onto the chart. You may choose between high or low to plot the trend lines or the close price. Threshold rate % and minimum strength determines if the trend lines are strong enough or not. Single indicator can help you in detecting both trend lines and its trendline area, as well as the trend channel. Here is a sample outcome of each option. Solid lines are the stronger trend lines, and the dotted lines are the weak ones. Prices are very dynamic, and volatility and momentum can affect price moves significantly. When traders try to place a trade at an exact trend line breakout price, professional traders will do their best to kick out the amateurs by letting the price spike, cross that level and reverses it, making a false breakout. To overcome this shortcoming and improve your trading skills, you need to start using the trend areas instead. The angle of the trend line matters a lot in your trading decisions. As the steepness of the trend line increases, the validity of the support or resistance level decreases. The angle of a trend line created from such sharp moves is unlikely to offer a meaningful support or resistance level, even if the trend line is formed with many valid points. Attempting to trade a trend line breakout with a steep angle will often put you in a difficult situation. Below setting will keep you informed about the trend angle. One of the essential points that everyone needs to accept as reality is, most breakouts fail. When the market is trending up, we may see some quick sell-offs that makes beginners assume that the market has reversed. While they are shorting near the downtrend line, experienced traders are doing just the opposite. The below setting will keep you informed on the current market structure, showing all the short, medium and long-term trends. With these settings, you can be sure of the direction of the trade you take. This group of settings will help keep track of the trend line which was last broken. It can help you to check if it acts as resistance at a later state when the price reach at that level. You may also set alerts on important trendline levels, and customize price labels accordingly using the below category. Many other customizations are available to help you become an independent wise trader. With this, we have now covered the most important but not all the aspects of the Trendline Pro indicator. I hope you are now empowered with some critical information to take your trades to the next level. Everyone aspires to be in the profitable zone by the end of trading day. However, it requires a lot of patience and hard work. Emotional trading won't make you a successful trader any day. We take the efforts of hard work and convert it to an easy task, so that you can use them to work in your favor, and in return helps you gain patience and reduce stress while you see green figures in your portfolios. BreathEasy will help you educate more on how to use the indicator in conjunction with other trading strategies. Stay with us to access this indicator for a lifetime. I am signing off this video by appreciating the work done by one of the Pine Wizards from TradingView, who made this happen. If you like the content and the hard work behind building this trendline indicator, kindly share your love by clicking on the like and subscribe button.